Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, that was so extra. Let's try that again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this cute little look right here. So today's tutorial is for the natural girls out there. Shout out to all my natural makeup girls out there. I got you. I told you I got you. Okay, let's get started. So right now, I'm going in with the MAC Strobe Cream in Goldlite, and I'm just applying that all over my face for a glowy base. This is the perfect look for this time of year because it's spring and summer and you want to look light and fresh and cute and fun. And since it's so hot, you don't want all that thick, cakey makeup on there just sweating it off. So now for foundation, or not really foundation, it's a tinted moisturizer. This is the NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. And this is in the shade True Beige Buff. Another really nice, glowy, lightweight, sheer coverage foundation is the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. And it has SPF 20 in it. And I really like it. It's very glowy. And it's very lightweight on the skin. So I'm just going to go in with this. And just with a beauty sponge. Sometimes if I'm really in a hurry, I'll just use my hands. But today I'm just going to go in and pounce this on. This is a very beautiful formula. You can still see your skin through it, but it still adds enough coverage to even out your skin tone. It's basically a Your Skin But Better product. And I love that for this time of year. And if you have more problematic skin than I do, you can always spot conceal with a concealer the same shade as your foundation over the spots for added coverage. Okay, now that that is on, I'm going to zoom you guys in, but you can still kind of see my freckles poking through. It just evens out the skin and is a nice and glowy base. Now, for concealer, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers right now. And I am in the shade Medium Peach. Since we're going on the more natural side today, I'm not going to do a big full triangle. I'm just really going to concentrate it where I need it, which is right underneath my eyes, on the bridge of the nose, and a little bit on the chin. I'm just going to blend this in with my sponge again. Okay, now before I set the eyes, I'm just going to make sure that there are no more creases underneath my eyes. And I'm just going to take a small little brush and the Mercier translucent powder and just set right underneath those. Since we're trying to keep it fresh today, I just set underneath my eyes, a little bit on the sides of my nose, and then my smile lines. So now, we're going to go into brows. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera real quick, and then hop right back on. Okay, now that the brows are on, we're just going to go in with some bronzer to warm up the face. And I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill JH06 brush. And since it's just going to be light, natural makeup, I'm not doing a lot of contouring or anything like that. I'm just going to dust around my face. Okay, so for blush, we're going to be using the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. It's a very nice peachy blush with a good golden sheen to it. And I'm just going to use a blush brush from Real Techniques and just dust this onto my cheeks. This adds a nice glow to the cheeks to make you look nice and healthy. So the highlight I'm going to be using today is the Essence Pure Nude highlight, which is a perfect highlight for the look. It's more of a glow from within kind of highlight, which is what we're going for today. I'm not going to go in with a big beaming highlight. See what I'm talking about? And it looks a lot more glowy too because we already put down that Milani Luminoso blush, which already had a nice glow to it. Above the brow. Okay, so the skin is looking really glowy and fresh. Looks like you had 12 hours of sleep, but really, you had 3. Okay, now for the eyes, we're going to keep it really simple today. We're just going to go in with the same bronzer that we used for our face and a fluffy brush and just pop that right into the crease. Just to give your eyes some sort of definition. And we're also going to apply that right under the lash line as well. Now, for our lid shade, we're going to be using my #1 most used eyeshadow ever, and it is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Ritz, right here. If you know me, you know that I use this shadow basically every day. Literally, I'll use it as a topper, I'll use it on its own. Here's kind of what it looks like. It's so beautiful. It makes your eyes look just wet. I'm just going to apply this right here with my finger. Right onto the lid. Okay, take that back. Since I have nails, I'm going to be using just a little flat packer brush, like so. And spray a little fix plug or Morphe setting spray. Normally if you use your fingers you don't have to do this, but just lightly dust this all over the lid. If I had to choose just one eyeshadow to live with, this would be the one I would use, or choose. Then I'm just going to go back in with the crease brush that I used a second ago and just kind of blend that out. Okay, now for eyeliner, I'm just going to be using a brown eyeliner. This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Mr. Bing. And I'm just going to apply this on my waterline and my timeline. Okay, that's literally it for the eyes. I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply the L'Oreal, what is this, Lash Sensational mascara and to the top lashes, and then for the bottom I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny mascara, and then lips, and we're done. Okay, now for lips, all we're going to apply is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. It's my favorite gloss. It's not sticky. It's the color of like your lips, but better. It's just my favorite, and it smells. Just got that on my nose. It smells incredible. Okay, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. This is literally what I wear every day, or the days that I do wear makeup in the spring and the summer. It's just light, airy, fresh, makes you look like you had 12 hours of sleep, but really you had 2 because you were up all night watching TikTok. Maybe that's just me. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it and try it out, and let me know down below what else y'all would like to see. Bye guys. I'm going to be using a Morphe M513. Okay, so since we're keeping it on the natural, oh my god!